Hello and welcome to my channel. Today without the car, today with another e-bike from Engwe. Let's start as usual from the beginning. You received the bike in a solid box. Open the box and do not take the bike out of the box like this. Just put it on the floor, tilt the box on the all side and open like this. This is my favorite way to open the box. Then remove all security cover and put everything together. In the box, as usual, you will find the charger, tools, user manual, and do not forget to use your user manual to avoid mistakes. I have already tested several bikes from Engwe, but this one has probably become my favorite. The L20 3.0 Boost is a good looking folding bike with everything you need. Double shock absorber, disc and hydraulic brakes, LED lighting, electric horn, 648 Wh battery with a range up to 75 miles and the fast charging in up to 2 hours. Large seat and handlebar adjustment and perfect tire size. The display is very clear and you can see all information what you need even when you turn on the lights on the very sunny day. I know some people complain about it, but let's be honest, I don't see any problem with that. As usual in Engwe, we have 5 electric assist gear and 7 Shimano gears, which in this bike looks a little bit different, but don't worry, they work very well. The first thing I notice is that despite the fact that this model does not have the mid-drive motor designation on the Engwe website, this is exactly how the drive system of these bikes behaves. I will explain what I mean. In the bikes which I tested before, Engine X, M20 and E26, each higher electric gears gives you a higher speed even during gently pedaling. In this bike, everything works completely different. Doesn't matter which gear you will select it, if you will not pedal fast, your speed will not increase. And this is a very clever bicycle drive system that allows you to save lots of electricity and also, at the same time, keep you in constant motion, which is good for your health. And when you need more power, you can get it after pressing and holding the boost button. Just take a look. The clip in front of me is quite steep and long. I know the camera doesn't show you that, but trust me, I did not manage to ride off the very top with the Engine X model, but with this bike, I don't have any problem to do it. Another very strong point of this bike are the brakes. And to be honest, seat belts would be useful. The bike stops practically in place from the very high speed. So use the brakes gently with the sensitivity. The road, as you can see now, is not problem for this bike. The rear shock absorber works very well in this such a condition. Also on my standard test road, this bike felt like a fish in the water. Even riding through the mud was more stable with the older bikes on the fat tires. Maybe the video doesn't show you it, but I went down in very uneven terrain and rode through it easier than with the M20 models. Now let's go back on the road for a moment and to the acceleration. I will now set off on the flat road, holding the boost button and see how quickly I can gain speed. Well, I have to admit that it makes an impression, and I'm 193 cm tall and my weight is 107 kilograms. In addition, I have to admit that this is the first electric bike on which I do not feel the weight of this bike, and when I am riding on the flat road, I often do not use electric support. I will go back to the dimension for a moment. As I said before, I'm 193 cm tall and I set the seat to the level 3, so I still have 3 levels to rise higher, so even the very tall people will find the perfect position for themselves. And that's all for today. Huge thank you to Engwe for providing this bike for the testing. Please let me know in the comment below what you think about this bike, or if you are already owner of other electric bike. Share your opinion. As usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and, in this case, your two wheels. And see you next time.